Welcome back to the channel. In the world of touring motorcycles, there are few names that carry as much weight as the Honda Goldwing. It's a machine that has come to define long-distance comfort, engineering excellence, and cutting-edge innovation for over 4 decades. And now, for 2025, Honda has taken its flagship touring model into a bold new direction with the Goldwing DGT, a motorcycle that not only refines what came before but reimagines what a luxury tourer can be in the modern age. The Goldwing DGT 2025 doesn't scream for attention with flashy aesthetics or aggressive lines. Instead, it communicates sophistication and purpose. The overall silhouette is familiar to longtime Goldwing enthusiasts, but almost every angle has been subtly reworked to improve aerodynamics, weight distribution, and rider ergonomics. The front fairing is sleeker, the LED headlamp array is more integrated, and Honda's designers have introduced adaptive lighting that responds to lean angles and road conditions in real time. It's not just about looking modern, it's about riding safer. At the heart of the Goldwing DGT is the same legendary flat-six engine, but now with subtle tweaks and improved electronics that make it smoother, more fuel-efficient, and more responsive than ever before. Honda has kept the 1,833 cubic centimeters displacement but fine-tuned the throttle-by-wire system, added a new fuel injection mapping profile, and recalibrated the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for quicker, more intuitive shifts. The result is a ride that feels effortlessly powerful, whether you're cruising down an open highway or navigating mountain switchbacks 2-up with luggage. Perhaps the most talked-about addition to the 2025 Goldwing DGT is its newly integrated digital touring platform, hence the name DGT. This system is a fully connected, modular digital suite that seamlessly blends navigation, entertainment, rider communication, and bike diagnostics into a single ecosystem. The updated 10.5-inch TFT touchscreen now supports multi-window functionality, allowing riders to monitor route planning, weather radar, tire pressure, and even fuel efficiency all at once. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are still here, but the new DGT interface also brings Honda's proprietary AI assistant, designed specifically for motorcyclists. Voice recognition is now context-aware, meaning you can ask it to find a scenic route with less traffic, locate the nearest gas station with premium fuel, or even recommend a rest stop with a view. It's intuitive, responsive, and most importantly, it works without taking your hands off the bars. Honda understands that on a long tour, convenience isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. The Goldwing DGT delivers that in every detail. The audio system has been completely overhauled as well. The speakers now feature adaptive EQ that adjusts based on your speed, helmet type, and wind noise, ensuring that you can actually enjoy your music or take a call at 70 miles per hour. Rear seat audio controls have also been added, giving passengers more control over their own entertainment and volume levels. Comfort remains the Goldwing's strongest selling point, and the 2025 model raises the bar even higher. The seat design has been re-engineered using pressure mapping data from thousands of touring riders, resulting in a more supportive and fatigue-reducing cushion for both rider and passenger. Heated and ventilated seats now come standard, with individual climate zones. There's even an optional massage function for the rider, a subtle pulse of vibration that can be activated mid-ride to reduce lower back fatigue. It's indulgent, yes, but incredibly useful on those multi-hour journeys. Suspension has been another area of serious refinement. The Goldwing DGT introduces a semi-active electronically adjustable suspension system that adapts not only to road conditions but also to payload. So whether you're riding solo with a light overnight bag or 2-up with a fully packed top case and side panniers, the system dynamically adjusts damping and preload in real time. The ride is smoother, cornering is more stable, and feedback is more precise. Braking gets an upgrade too, with larger front rotors and an updated linked braking system that improves modulation and reduces stopping distance. Cornering ABS is now more sensitive, thanks to a revised IMU, inertial measurement unit, that communicates with the bike's traction control and engine mapping systems. In practice, it means greater confidence in low-grip situations and better stability when braking hard in corners. Storage capacity remains generous, with over 120 liters of combined storage across the top case and saddlebags. But now, Honda has added a new smart key access system with proximity sensing. Approach the bike with the fob in your pocket, and the bags automatically unlock. There's also a new internal lighting system inside the panniers, a small but extremely helpful addition when you're digging for something at night. Another impressive new feature is the Goldwing DGT's adaptive cruise control with lane positioning assist. Using radar and cameras, The system maintains a set following distance and subtly adjusts lateral position within a lane based on vehicle placement, wind direction, and road curvature. It's not self-driving by any means, but it adds a layer of confidence and ease that's hard to ignore, especially on long interstate rides. Fuel range is extended slightly thanks to an improved combustion profile and a marginally larger tank, bringing the total estimated range to nearly 300 miles under typical touring conditions. Combine that with a revised windscreen that offers better protection and reduced buffeting, and you have a motorcycle that is more than capable of handling coast-to-coast rides in supreme comfort. Of course, the Goldwing DGT isn't for everyone. It's a premium machine with a premium price tag, and it demands a certain level of commitment, both in terms of lifestyle and skill. But for those who see the journey as the destination, for riders who crave both technology and tradition, the 2025 Goldwing DGT stands almost peerless. In a time when so many motorcycles are chasing minimalism, the Goldwing proudly offers maximalism, not in the sense of excess, but in terms of capability, comfort, and connectivity. It's a motorcycle that respects its roots while embracing the future. Every detail, every system, every innovation on the DGT has been implemented with purpose. It's not just an evolution, it's a deliberate leap forward. And perhaps that's what makes the 2025 Goldwing DGT so compelling. It's not trying to impress with gimmicks or gimmicky styling. Instead, it's doing what the Goldwing has always done best, providing a sublime, powerful, and endlessly capable platform for riders who want to see the world from a saddle. Whether you're crossing continents or just heading out for a weekend loop, the Goldwing DGT is more than a motorcycle. It's a partner in your journey, one that's smarter, smoother, and more sophisticated than ever before. So if you're a rider who demands the best, not just in performance, but in refinement, in technology, in long-term reliability, the Honda Goldwing DGT 2025 might just be the touring machine you've been waiting for. And once you throw a leg over it, start the engine, and roll out onto the open road, you'll understand why this motorcycle continues to set the benchmark, and why, for so many riders, the journey truly begins with a Goldwing.